Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you practicing the math concepts previously learned. Now today we are going to learn the one new concept which is called the highest common factor, shortly known as HCF. Basically, the highest common factor is found by multiplying all the factors which appear in numbers. It may be two numbers given or three numbers. So in previous classes we have learned the method of finding highest common factor by listing the factor. For example, if we have to find the common factor between 18 and 30, so we write the all the numbers which divides the 18 starting from 1. 18 is divided can be divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and itself 18. Same as factors of 30. 30 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 itself. So if we circle the common factors, it is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 6 is the highest number or the highest factor in both. 6 can divide the both numbers 18 and 30 and it is the highest. So 6 is the highest common factor. This method is called the listing method. But when the number is large, we can't follow this method because there are so many factors involved. So we find the one most efficient way of finding the highest common factor. Let's see what is it. If we have to find the highest common factor of 40, 60 and 100, first we will do the prime factorization of all these numbers separately. For example, find the factors of 40, 60 and 100. So then make the list of these. If we write the factors of 40 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Write the factors of 40. Same as write the prime factorization of 60, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Then 100, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So if we look at the common factors of all these three numbers, we see 2 is common in all three numbers. Again 2 is the common factor of all these three numbers. 5 is the common factor of all these three numbers. So for finding the HCF, we multiply the common factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the highest divisor of all these three numbers.